Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea, and if you're new around here, would like to see beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. I look a bit crazy at the moment because I've just finished filming this eye look with the Beauty Bay Large Berries palette, and I thought I've done my foundation, done my concealer, and I've got a few new things to try, and it's the Beauty Crop and Amelia Olivia Get Ready With Me set. So this set includes a liquid blush, a liquid highlight, 2 sponges and a glow milk mist. So I thought we could try out this little set together and yeah, see how I feel, because I actually love the Beauty Crop liquid highlight and liquid blush. I did do a full face of Beauty Crop products, well, almost full face, on my channel not that long ago when I tested out the brand for the first time. So if you've not seen that video, then I'll link that down below. And since then, the Beauty Crop products have been in my favourites videos and speed reviews and things like that. So yeah, this is quite a new product, new launch. It launched maybe about a month ago perhaps actually, but I was waiting for the set to come onto Beauty Bay because yeah, I wanted to try the full set and it was a really good deal. This set, I think it was like £36 or something like that. So let's get into it. I like the fact it comes with this vanity case as well. Perfect for when you need to go travelling. But let's get out the products. So we've got the mist, which Beauty Crop mists are absolutely unreal. Like, they get their mist on point each time. And then we've got the liquid blush, which is a beautiful pink shade, and it's quite glowy. It's meant to be quite glowy as well. And then we've got a liquid highlight, which isn't part of her range, Amelia Olivia's range, but it's in the new packaging. So let me just show you the old packaging. So yeah, so this is the old packaging for the glow milk, which I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely hate. After using it once or twice, the pipette stopped working, so literally I have to scoop it out, which is just a bit of a joke. But yeah, this is what the old packaging looks like, and then you've got the new packaging, which is so cute. It's very on trend with like the juice carton kind of milk carton thing, and yeah, I feel like it's so much more practical. And this packaging reminds me a little bit of like the NARS liquid blushes as well. And then just in comparison with the blush packaging as well, so that was the juice pot, so that's the old blush, and this is a slightly different formula I suppose, because it's the glow milk, so it's a combination between these two in one. However, I think they're using this packaging for like all the liquidy kind of products, like liquid blush, liquid highlight, and liquid blush and highlight, if that makes sense. And then yeah, with this set you also get a set of 2 sponges, so liquid highlight and blush sponge duo, because I believe she applies her liquid blush and highlight with the sponges rather than the brush, which is what we're going to try out today. Liquid blush, shake well before use, pump blush onto the back of the hand or clean fingers, apply 1 to 3 dots onto the apple of the cheek and blend with clean fingers or sponge. I'm just going to pop this open. And I like the fact that they're colour coordinated as well, so I assume that's for the, if that makes sense, I don't know. And I'm also going to open up this mist because I'm dying to get this on my face right now. But yeah, this is the Glow Milk Mist Seal and Set, and I wonder what this smells like. Oh. Okay, it sounds really nice. Oh, I just love their mist. It's actually unreal. Okay, so I'm just going to dampen my sponge with the setting mist. And now let's open up the blush. So I'm going to give it a good shake, but this is what the packaging looks like. It looks so pretty. Michael, what do you want? And yeah, it's a nice little pump. So it says to pump 1 to 3, pump blush onto the back of your hand. Oh god, I'm gonna get cramp in my finger in a minute. Right, why is this not coming out? Okay, this isn't actually coming out. Okay, so again, another packaging default from Beauty Crop, I think. So I'm just gonna have to do it like this, which is annoying because I love the pump. But yeah, so we've got a bit on the back of the hand, and as you can see, it's very, very glowy, quite runny texture, but I'm excited to try it because that's a beautiful shade. So I'm just going to work a little bit into my sponge and dab it. Oh, I'm scared. Right, ready? I mean, it goes with this makeup look perfectly. Michael, get off. Michael, no. Well, it's definitely giving me a glow, that's for sure. And the colour isn't as intimidating as what you first think, because obviously in the bottle, in my hand, it's very, very pink. But I don't know. I feel like it's just giving me more of a glow rather than blush. Like, I can see like a hint of pink, but I can't see that much of the blush. So I'm just going to put a bit more on the back of my hand. Oh, that's better. I've got so much on the back of my hand now. If you can hear like a little whining, that is Michael. Okay, so I feel like, yeah, I think that's really nice. It has given a really nice glow to my skin. My skin does feel a little bit tacky though, so I'm hoping that it sets okay. It's a really, really nice colour on the back of my hand. It's very, very subtle. I feel like I did put quite a lot on, but it's just a subtle glowy pink, which, yeah, is really nice. Yeah, so let me just now powder my face, and then we can do the glow milk, because I find glow milk always used to work well on top of powder. So I'm hoping it's still the same formula, just different packaging. That glow's just gone, obviously, because I'm powdering my face anyway, so I don't know if there's any point in it being a glowy when you've got a set, unless you don't need to set, obviously. Let's just spray a bit more mist on me. Okay, so now let's go in with the glow milk. So this one is in the shade, I'm sure it's like pear something. Pear Pressure Glow Milk. So giving it a good shake, and let's hope this pump works. Yay! So I'm just gonna, oh, that was quite a lot that come out. But this is what the shade looks like. So beautiful, like goldy champagne. Oh, that is stunning. So let me just wet this sponge quickly, and I'm now just going to dab a bit, work it into my hand, and just oh my god, I think I might have put a bit too much on, but it's fine. It makes your skin look wet. I think I put a bit too much on, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. Right, wait there. It's so nice. Yeah, I just love the glow milk. The glow milk is literally the best liquid highlighter I've ever used. It is unreal. It's absolutely fine over powder. Like, I've powdered on my face and that's fine. I think I prefer this to the liquid blush, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just going to finish off the rest of my face. And I will be right back for my final thoughts. So makeup is all done and we are looking glowy as hell. But okay, right, thoughts. Let's just dive straight into this. So first of all, the star of the show is meant to be the liquid blush. So this is the, I think it's called pineapple something. What's it called? Oh, it's called Pink Pineapple Liquid Blush. So yeah, this is the star, meant to be the star of the show. But I don't know, you know, because I feel like the pink in this isn't that pigmented. Like, it's very washed out, and I use quite a lot of it, so I don't know if I'm not using it right or something like that. Like, it left a really nice glow, but then as soon as you set your makeup anyway, the glow disappears. So, and I have to set my face because I'm an oily girl. So yeah, I don't know, I don't really rate this. I prefer the original formula of the juice pots, so because these are packed with pigment, and I feel like this is such a bright, can be quite an intimidating colour, like a really, it's like a hot pink essentially. However, that's not on my cheeks. I've got like a little flush of pink, but that's it. And the glow on my cheeks isn't from this, it's actually from this. So I feel like, and also as well, the packaging on this, love the package design, but the pump on this doesn't work, which obviously I'm fuming about. So yeah, I don't know. I don't really rate that, and it's annoying because I love Beauty Crop, I love Amelia Olivia, I love the whole concept of this, but it just hasn't worked for me, unfortunately. So that is my honest opinion. The new, well, this Glow Milk, I don't know if it's a new shade. Love this, absolutely love this. See that shine? Beautiful. Let me see if I can use the blush on top of this, and maybe it'll give me a bit of a blush shade. Oh, shite. Like, this one seems to be very stringy. I don't know if it's meant to be stringy. So let me just... Now just ruin my makeup. Yeah, no, that didn't work. Oh my god, I've actually ruined my face now. I've not even done a thumbnail for this yet. Yeah, no, the blush is a no from me. I thought maybe if I use it on top, like the Glow Milk, then it might work, but instead it's just clung to like a bit of the Glow Milk that I've got into my face. Okay, I've really having to work this into my skin. This is a fail. This is a fail for me. However, now that I've worked this into my skin and probably removed all my foundation underneath, that's a nice shade. It's a little bit blotchy still, but bear with me. Okay, the colour is there now, but have had to put that on top of my on top of all my makeup, which for me, I always use a liquid blush before I powder, before powder blush and things like that. But yeah, that's the only way that I seem to have been able to make it work, even though it came out as a bit of a fail. So like, look at that side to that side. Do you get what I mean? So I don't know, maybe I've just got to play around with it a bit more, and then I will include this in my speed reviews with my actual thoughts of playing around with it a lot more. But as like, I've done that, and that actually looks really nice now, but that took a lot of work, a lot of blending, and an almost failed makeup look, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just going to play around with it a bit more and see. But yeah, as I was saying, this Glow Milk is unreal. I feel like you need this in your life if you haven't already got it. It's a beautiful formula. It goes perfectly on top of powder. It gives you a really nice glow. It just blends in so beautifully, even though I've already powdered and bronzed and all that jazz on top of my face. And yeah, it's not really bad for highlighting texture. Like, it highlights texture a little bit, but I feel like you'll get that with a liquid highlight regardless. Get it with a powder highlight as well. But yeah, it's just so beautiful. It makes your skin look like glass, and I absolutely love this. The Set and Mist, I just love their mist. I don't know in terms of longevity yet, so again, I'm going to have to keep using this, and I'll let you know in an updated speed review video of how this keeps my makeup on. It's meant to last all day. It's meant to seal and set, and it's enriched with rose water, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, so it's full of skincare ingredients as well, which is really nice. So even if it doesn't keep my makeup on all day, I feel like this will be a really nice refresher either throughout the day or throughout your makeup stage or something like that, just to really melt those powders into your face. I do like this on first impressions, and the mist is chef's kiss. And then you've got the two sponges, which now mine look dirty obviously, but they feel like really good soft sponges. I like the shape of them as well. I like the colours of them, because even though this is like a foundation and a blush kind of colour, it's not going to be too obvious when you stain them. Well, I'll say that a little bit. And also, can't forget the travel case it comes in, which I think is a really lovely idea. I love a good travel case, and I like the fact that it's a clear one as well, so I can see everything that I am taking. So that is it then for my little review / first impressions on the Beauty Crop and Amelia Olivia collaboration set. Let me know if you picked up any of these products. What do you think? Obviously, I've seen a lot of people on TikTok rave about this blush, so I'm a little bit disappointed that it didn't work out for me. However, I will try and keep using it, and hopefully I can get it to work. If anyone else has got this, let me know. Did your reaction, is it the same as mine? Like, hello, am I doing something wrong? I don't know. But yeah, let me know down below what you thought of this as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did like it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.